Hey, Forney, check out this beautiful historic home that's under renovation in historic downtown Forney. I'm here with the sellers, and we are taking a tour of the property they just bought back in October. We are just a block away from downtown Forney, where they're going to be revitalizing all of the area, restaurants and venues. The sellers are going to have neighbor Daryl Grooms. He's our former mayor. He owned this property for quite some time, and the sellers bought it, and they're going to be renovating it and living here. It's a big project. Check this out. Tell me about this home, Mr. Sellers. What is this?
I believe way back when they said it was a storm cellar at one time. I'm not quite sure exactly what it is, but we're going to backfill it in and we're going to cover it up because it's all caved in and all the old bricks.
How deep is that?
It's about 4 foot deep, 4 to 5 foot deep.
That ain't cool.
That ain't cool at all. Right out here is where our pool's going to be, our big pool house.
How big is this property? How many acres are we looking at?
3.8 acres.
Wow.
We've got a lot of stuff to clean up, and we've got a lot of stuff to clean up.
Both inside and out, it looks like.
Inside and out. There's a lot of work still to do. Lots of windows we got to put back in that are no longer in. Right here you can tell on the back of the house.
So when you bought the property, it had quite a bit needing to be done.
Oh yeah, it was a shell. It was a complete shell when we bought the building, bought the house.
Well, hopefully you got a good deal.
I guess it was a good deal to us because this is what my wife wanted, and I wanted her to build her a dream house, and this is it.
So this is where you want to bring the kids and the grandkids.
All the grandkids, all my kids. We want to bring them here.
That's wonderful. Well, saving a piece of Forney's history won't be cheap.
Do that.
You got foundation problems too, or is the house pretty sturdy?
The house is very level. The house is in good shape as far as being leveled. We are going to pour a retaining wall around. I mean, they do got some things that are, you know, this whole back area right here needs to be rebuilt. I'm talking to the ARB?
The Architectural Review Board?
Review Board. I've got another meeting this week with them. I'm trying to get some approvals to upgrade the outside porches that are falling down. You can see that we put all the new plumbing up underneath the house. It's ready to be inspected. We're going to try to reuse as much of this whole brick to put on the front facade as we can. So,
well,
somebody's pulling up. I don't know who that is.
Oh, it's probably our neighbor.
Well, the city and the citizens of Forney have been waiting for a long time
We're excited
to see somebody come in and give it the love and care it needs. So we wish you the best of luck.
We're trying. That's
We're
our goal.
Bring it back to its natural beauty that it had in 1886.
That's our goal.
With a few little touches here and there of the current 2000s.
Well, thanks so much for talking to us. Congratulations on your new house.